Hello guys, welcome back with a new recipe. Today we will be preparing Chinese style spicy chicken. It's a very simple dish to make, not wasting much time. Let's move to the preparation. First we will be taking 1 kg of chicken breast and we'll be marinating by adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, salt as per taste. Then we will be adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and then we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mixing it well. Next we may require 1 egg. Let's add it over the chicken and mix it well. Leave it aside for about half an hour and then cook the chicken. Next, let's take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil into it and then some chopped chili and ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Then we'll be adding 1 largely chopped onions into the pan and mix it well. Then we may require 1 large capsicum that is chopped. Mix it well. Cook it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Keep mixing it continuously. After this, we will be adding 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce into the pan and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Mix it well. Make sure that everything combines properly. Keep mixing it continuously. Then we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of black pepper and let's mix it well. Cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now we'll be adding our cooked chicken into the pan. Now let's mix it well so that the sauce combines with the chicken properly. Keep mixing it continuously and cook at low flame. Leave it for cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now we'll be adding 1 cup of corn flour and water mixture into the pan. Keep mixing it continuously. Cook it for about another 5 minutes at low flame. Then we can add our spring onions into the pan and mix it well. Leave it to cook for about another 2 to 3 minutes. So this was a simple way of preparing Chinese style spicy chicken at home. It is a classic dish that you can make at your home during any family gathering or dinner. This dish is best to have with fried rice. I hope you like this recipe. Make sure to try this recipe at your home. And let me know in the comments how it came out for you. Till then, bye.